Even during ancient times, the Malay Peninsula was already an important cultural and trading center.
Today, Malaysia has progressed into a nation that has diversified successfully as a top exporter of manufactured goods, with petroleum being the largest foreign exchange earner. For countries blessed with the existence of oil in their midst, the industry forms part of the backbone of the country's economy.
For Malaysia, production of petroleum and natural gas has increased greatly since the 70s, and the refining of crude oil is a major industry. In the early 90s, annual petroleum production provided 9% of export revenues.
Petroleum reserves were estimated at 4.3 billion barrels, in addition to extensive reserves of natural gas. Currently, Malaysia produces about 600,000 barrels of oil daily and 5 billion cubic feet of gas per day.
Malaysia has been identified as an important market for the oil and gas sector, thanks to the active policies pursued by the government and the National Oil Corporation, Petronas.
It is aggressively developing the country's hydrocarbon resources, with particular emphasis on the development of gas fields.
SARC Consolidated Malaysia Berhad was incorporated in 1982 to take advantage of the potential offered by this growing industry. Since then, SARC Consolidated and its subsidiary, SARC Oil and Gas Sdn Berhad, have been key players in this sector with its core competency as a provider of oil and gas equipment and value-added services to the oil, gas, energy and utility sectors.
A licensee from Petronas, it now represents 20 established manufacturers of oil and gas equipment and machinery. The SARC Oil and Gas Service Centre has gained recognition through a wide range of reliable and efficient repair services for both mechanical, electrical, turbo machinery and other engineering equipment.
SARC Oil and Gas Sdn Berhad also provides IT consultancy services, system integration and computer-assisted operations for the oil and gas industry.
SARC has been involved in the manufacture and assembly of mechanical seals since 1992 and the IT industry and control systems in the area of SCADA.
In re-establishing itself as a world-class player in the oil and gas industry, SARC has been expanding its trading operations and core services through a number of smart partnerships and acquisitions to further enhance its services and capabilities within the industry. Headed by an experienced and driven team of individuals, SARC has been even more aggressive and focused in pursuing her goals.
In SARC, we believe that in order to maximize shareholders' returns and make an impact in the industry, we have to create a safe, healthy and merit-based working environment. We are positioning ourselves to face the challenges of the industry by gearing ourselves to provide a wide range of services, both upstream and downstream.
The SARC Group now boasts enhanced services in selected areas of the oil and gas industry. In extending its construction, pipe laying and engineering expertise, SARC has welcomed into its stable SARC Embah Engineering Sdn Berhad and SARC RR Infra Limited of India.
These new subsidiaries provide SARC with the opportunity to undertake more lucrative projects in India and the region.
The acquisition of Eco-Drill Sdn Berhad now renders SARC the proud owners of the Merpati Cerah workover rig. With the only workover rig in Malaysia fully owned and operated by a local company, SARC Eco-Drill Sdn Berhad is now better equipped to conduct workover and well maintenance services. Proteus Global Solutions Proprietary Limited of Australia further equips the SARC Group with the knowledge, technology, proven in-house resources, development experience and project management expertise to handle fixed, floating, subsea or onshore process facilities. Proteus also offers Euro-Spiral, a floating spiral technology for offshore pipeline installation that reduces cost, time and risks associated with working at sea.
With the important aspects of technology in the oil and gas industry in place, SARG is now looking at strategic acquisitions and partnerships to build their portfolio in the industry to include heavy lift consultancy services, pipe laying, the construction of pipeline compressor stations and facilities, even the possibility of venturing into exploration.
The Malaysian oil and gas industry is on an upward trend, and SARG Consolidated Malaysia Berhad is positioning itself to be in the forefront of the industry, to take the SARG Group and Malaysia to the world as a leading player in the oil and gas industry. SARG Consolidated Malaysia Berhad, the rising star in the oil and gas industry in Malaysia and the region.